Strongsville, Ohio, fire suppression and fire alarm contractor. Bond. What is a bond? A bond is like a promise or a guarantee. In the context of contractors, it's a way to ensure that they will fulfill their obligations according to laws and regulations. If the contractor fails to meet these obligations, the bond serves as a form of financial security for those who suffer losses. Understanding the fire suppression and fire alarm contractor bond. In Strongsville, Ohio, contractors engaged in fire suppression and fire alarm systems, installation and maintenance are required to obtain a specific type of bond known as the fire suppression and fire alarm contractor bond. This bond is a legal requirement set by the state to ensure that these contractors adhere to the rules and regulations governing their industry. Purpose of the bond. The primary purpose of the fire suppression and fire alarm contractor bond is to protect consumers and stakeholders. By requiring contractors to obtain this bond, the state ensures that individuals and businesses hiring these contractors are financially protected in case of any wrongdoing, negligence, or failure to meet contractual obligations. How does it work? Let's break down how the bond works in simple terms. Imagine you're a homeowner looking to install a fire suppression system in your property. You hire a contractor who is required to have the fire suppression and fire alarm contractor bond. During the installation process, there is damage to your property due to the contractor's negligence. In such a scenario, you can file a claim against the contractor's bond to cover the costs of repairing the damage. How to obtain the bond? Obtaining the fire suppression and fire alarm contractor bond involves a straightforward process. Contractors can typically obtain the bond through licensed surety bond companies. The process usually requires completing an application, undergoing a credit check, and paying a premium. The premium amount may vary based on factors such as the contractor's credit history and the duration of the bond. To know more, please visit swiftbonds.com.